Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone 11 and opening Settings. This gets you to the controls you'll change. Once in Settings, tap Accessibility because back tap lives under touch-related features, and that's why we go there. Make sure to scroll to Touch and select it. This reveals the back tap option so you can configure actions. Doing these first steps quickly places you at the exact menu where you assign double tap and triple tap behaviors. Once at back tap, choose which gesture you want to set double tap or triple tap because each can map to a different action. Then pick an action, system shortcut like Home, accessibility tool like Magnifier, or one of your shortcuts. You should choose what you'll use most. After selecting, test it by tapping the lower back of the phone with a firm, natural motion to confirm responsiveness. If it doesn't trigger, change sensitivity by choosing a different action. You finish by confirming back tap is set and the chosen actions are saved, because unsaved changes won't work. If taps are inconsistent, try removing or repositioning the case and adjust how you tap. Firm and near the center of the back usually helps, since cases and grip change sensitivity. If the feature still fails, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches and make sure iOS is up to date. A reboot often resolves recognition problems and restores
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.